In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a website using the Hostinger Website Builder. This process is particularly useful if you're looking to create a duplicate version of your website for testing or as a foundation for a new project. It's a straightforward process that allows you to efficiently manage and replicate your existing site without the hassle of starting from scratch. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. Simply visit the Hostinger website and enter your account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to hPanel, Hostinger's powerful and intuitive control panel that serves as the central hub for managing all aspects of your hosting account. Next, navigate to the Websites section. Here you'll see a list of all the websites currently associated with your Hostinger account. Take a moment to locate the specific site you want to clone. This is an excellent opportunity to ensure you're selecting the right one, especially if you manage multiple websites under a single account. Once you've identified the site you wish to duplicate, look for the three dots, also known as the ellipsis icon, which is situated near the site entry you're interested in. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, simply select Duplicate Website. This action will initiate the website duplication process. The next step involves choosing a hosting plan for your new cloned site. You'll be presented with a drop-down menu listing the available hosting plans. Take a moment to carefully consider your options, as the plan you select will determine the resources and capabilities available to your new site. Once you've made your decision, click on Select Plan to proceed. After completing these steps, you will notice that a duplicate version of your website appears as a new entry in your websites list. This newly created site often begins with a randomly generated preview domain. It's a temporary setup that allows you easy access during the development or testing phase. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated your website. This seamless process can save you time and effort, enabling you to focus on customizing your new site or testing changes without affecting the original. Remember, exploring the full functionality of your cloned site will ensure it meets your needs. It's also a great way to experiment with new features or plugins before implementing them on your live site. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.